Hey everybody, it's Robin from Roaming with Rover, and today we've got a little unboxing. A few weeks ago, I got a message from the folks at Wiskf, W-I-S-K-F. They are a company that sells bags, like project bags. They also have aprons and they have tote bags, and they contacted me to see if I would be interested in doing a review of their product. I of course said yes, and what they had me do was go onto their website and pick out 4 of the bags and shipped them to me for me to give a little review. I picked those out before I went traveling, and they showed up while I was gone, so it didn't take very long, something in the 2 to 3 week range. And when I went on their website and looked, it did say for US it would take about 1 week to 25 days. 3 days to 25 days is what it said. But that was a pretty reasonable amount of time. The products that they have on their website are very reasonably priced. The individual bags that I'm going to show you today run $4.99 a piece. They also have aprons, and oh, their aprons are so cute. How cute are those? The aprons are $6.99 a piece, and they have a linen canvas tote bag. Let's see if I can find them. They were little. They are $12.99 a piece, canvas shopping bag. But you can see that's quite a much bigger product. They're bigger and they're square. They've got the fold-out bottom on them. So I got to tell you, it threw me for a loop a little bit because this package came in the mail and it said it was from Jane from New York, just Jane. And I'm like, well, that's strange. And it had my home address. So I thought if it was a viewer, it would have been my P.O. box. So it really threw me. So I did not know what to expect when I opened this package. When I opened it, it was the bags. So I don't quite know how that happened. It was a little bit odd. But anyway, so it came in the package. It came delivered from UPS, FedEx, USPS, United States Postal Service. So no problem there. First class mail. Each of the bags is in one of these little cellophane bags to keep them nice and clean. And I've got 4 of them. I got to tell you, it took a lot to pick out which bag I wanted because they have hundreds of designs. You can search by a specific item, like you can put in horses and everything with a horse will come up. But I did notice that sometimes if you got too specific, nothing would show up even if they had something in that group. So like you can't say black horses. You're just going to get horses. Or it'll say nothing in that order. They have horses, they have dogs, they have cats, they have food, they have cartoon characters. So here's the other thing I noticed. So like maybe they'll have a Disney character in there, let's say Mickey, but you can't search Disney and you can't search Mickey. But if you search cartoon, those things will show up in that list. So there's a little bit of work on your part to maybe find some things. And I'm not entirely sure why, but I have an idea why, but I don't know for sure. So I'm going to keep my opinion to myself. I was very surprised that they did not have anything to do with yarn or crochet or knit or crafts, nothing like that. Or if they did, I wasn't able to find them. And I think those would have been good. I think those would be items in there that would be good to have, those types of designs. But let me tell you that they had so many designs. I was just picking things left and right and putting it in my cart and then to wean it down. And I probably had 20 or 30 just boom, 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 no problem. They have Christmas, they have Halloween, they have all the holidays, they have flowers, they have barns, they have buildings. Really, really cute stuff. Really cute stuff. I was very pleased with that. So, having said all that, oh, and the other thing they have, it's awesome. For no additional cost, you can send a picture and they'll make a bag with your picture on it. And it didn't cost any more. $5.99, $4.99, $5.99. Let me look. I was really, really surprised at that they didn't charge any more for that. Let's find it. Customized, $5.99. So it's $1 more. $1 more than on the regular tote bags. I'm just going to pull up character. Nope, same price, $5.99. So these bags are $5.99. And oh, they're so cute. So cute. Flowers and waves and beaches and Elvis and little snowman, everything. Everything you can imagine, except yarn stuff. I found that funny. But anyway, Harry Potter stuff, if you're interested in that, you will have no problem finding something that you like in here. And you put 4 in your cart right now. You put 4 in your cart and you get one of them free. So that makes them even cheaper. And if you order 6 or more, you get free shipping. It's really just amazing. It is just amazing what the options were for this. Oh, this is so pretty. I think I had this one in my cart. It's a sea turtle. This is a sea turtle apron. Sea turtle apron. Isn't that pretty? And that apron's only $6.99. Really, really good prices. So let's look at the product. Oh, Max is coming to help. Max is coming to help, aren't you? He wants to see what we got going on here. So I opened the first one. And you see, they're big. It says, "Dear Coffee, I need you." Isn't that cute? So cute. The pattern is, it's not like one of those iron-on patterns. It's very, very solidly on there, so that's not going to wear off. It is, the straps are sewn in, so the construction of that is good. Double stitch sewn in straps. This is the web, your basic web strap. I don't know that you can see that. Are they all black? I think they're all black, so I don't know that I'm going to be able to show you the webbing on that. But it's your basic web strap. Probably an inch wide. I mean, you can see it's nice and wide. The bag itself, it says it's 17 inches. It's a nice size bag. Nice size bag. Decent construction. It is a nice overlay seam construction. There you go. And it does not have the expandable bottom, but like I said, this is a nice big bag. You're going to get quite a bit of stuff in. This is it's a good bag. You're going to get this nice amount of stuff in here. I'm sure it's washable. It does not say one way or the other. It says it's made out of linen. It feels like sort of a style of burlap, but not nearly as rough. So yeah, it says it's linen. It says it's eco-friendly linen, and that's all it says on it. There's no tag on the inside that says anything like that. I wouldn't hesitate to chuck this right in the washing machine. I think it's going to be perfect for that. So I got this one, which again says, "Dear Coffee, I need you." I thought that was so cute. And now the wrapping is really crinkly. I'll apologize for that right now. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. The cartoon kitties. Isn't that darling? We're cat people around here. Really cute designs. Like I said, the designs were just darling. And this is a nice long strap. You're easily going to be able to carry this on your shoulder, which I like that. You know, when I'm shopping or when I've got a project that I'm carrying around with me, I like to have a nice long strap for the shoulder. This is so cute. The kitties, cartoon kitties. I think that's what it was called, was cartoon kitties. Could be wrong though. And of course, we can't forget the dogs. Isn't that cute? Home is where my dogs are. Thought that was appropriate with all my puppies running the show around here. So we got a kitty one, a doggy one, and coffee. And then, of course, for us yarn people, the llamas. Look at the faces on those things. Isn't that adorable? Oh, I just loved this design. So, so cute. Absolutely wonderful. I will put all the information down below in the description box of how to contact these guys. I think it's just wiskf.com, and you just pop on it and it takes it right to their website. The website was easy to use. You can do your credit card or you can do PayPal, which I like. I like using PayPal, especially if it's a company I've not worked with before. I mean, you got to be honest. There's a lot of scammers out there. And so I really appreciate it when a company adds that PayPal feature on there, which makes me feel safer when I'm ordering online. And I do not know if the higher price items are, you know, the buy 4 get 1 free. Let's see what it says in here. Yeah, just says add 4 to the cart and one of them will show up for free. So that is wonderful. That is a really, really wonderful special to be able to have. My gosh, that makes those things inexpensive. Great little Christmas presents. Yeah, if you're ordering now, it's gonna get to you in time for you to give this out for Christmas. So absolutely jump on in there right now and see if there's something anywhere in there that you can find. All in all, I think this is a really good product. Definitely worth the money. Definitely worth the money. I've paid more for something very, very similar to this without any hesitation. Like I said, it's bigger than I expected. I thought it was going to be a much smaller bag. So I was really pleased with the size of it. The little llamas. Okay, so please go and check them out. And of course, we're going to have a little giveaway today. So for you guys, this is going to be your gift from me, from them, from me. So all you have to do is pop on over to their site, take a look around at some of their things, and then leave a comment below and tell me of the things that you saw on the website, which do you like? What catches your eye? Which one do you think you might be interested in buying? So comment down below, and I will randomly pick a winner. Of course, all the same rules apply that always apply to all the giveaways. If somebody leaves a message on here that says you may have won, or you're on the short list to win, call us. That is not real. You guys know that. I haven't seen so much of that lately, but still, you need to always be aware of that. That is not how these things go. So leave a comment below. Tell me what item on their site you might like to buy. And if you think I love the idea of the custom made one. If you think you might do a custom made one, tell me what custom picture you might put on there. I can just think of so many things that would be really, really cool for that, for a bag. Anyway, I hope you guys will give this a try and check out their products. And oh, when are we going to do the drawing on this thing? It is Let's do it. Let's give it a couple of weeks. So we'll do the drawing at the middle of November. We'll say the 15th of November. And then that way I can get that sent out to you pretty quick after that. 15th of November, random drawing, 1 comment per person. Better make this US only. Yeah, I'm just not sure with shipping what that would be like. You know what? If you comment down below and you are not US, I will find something to send you. I'll check the shipping on this based on your address. If it's insanely ridiculous, I'll get you something else. Does that sound fair? I just hate it all the time when we have to leave out the non-US people. So let's do that. If you're US, you're getting this. If you're non-US, we will find something. Okay? So make sure you go to their website. Make sure you just pop around and look at all the cool stuff that they have. And then come back and leave me a comment and tell me which of the bags that you liked. And that's it for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, and I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.